Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today is Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is time for a shave, and today's shave soap is by 345 Soap Company, and this is Shark Bite. The scent that I'm picking up on this is pineapple, pear, and a hint of coconut, and I'm sure there's a bunch of other scents that go along with that, but I can't think of what they are. Didn't look it up. It's a soap that I've had for a while, and I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl and my Trotter's Handcraft brush, and it whipped up a nice lather, probably enough to lather a whole baseball team, because that soap just comes to life. So let's go ahead and get lathered up here. This is a nice, fresh summer scent. Oh yeah. Take a look here at the lather. Oh yeah, nice. And I'm running this a little thin today because I like to be able to rinse out my razors really easily. And you know what they say, water equals slickness. And this is the Will It Shave part. I was giving you guys a break on the blade comparisons or the showdowns because after a while it does get a little boring. And so today's razor is this Cooper razor, and the name of it is escaping my brain right now. It doesn't say on the bottom, but it's got an odd name, like oh boy, it's like Cooper True Built or something. I'll put the name right here, what it actually is. But this is a unique razor that was made in the 30s, and this is on loan to me by Chris. And so you just loosen the bottom knob here, and as you can see, the top cap is actually hinged, and you can see the little ball right here, and there's a mechanism here that grabs the ball, and whenever you go to tighten it, it just snugs it down. And wow, back in the 1930s, they had an invention like this. This razor is kind of difficult to find, and the blade that I'm going to be using is the Gillette Silver Blue. And when I pulled this out of the box, I thought, this must be an old stock, because I don't remember it ever coming in a package like this. And I'm just now opening this for the first time, and it is double wrapped. And that kind of spooks me a little bit, because most of the blades that I get that are double wrapped are not the best blades. But I was on a buying spree there for a while, and every time, probably every payday or so, I was buying a sleeve of these Gillette Silver Blues on Amazon because they were on sale. And so I thought, hey, just in case they ever decide to stop making them, I want to have enough of them because it's my favorite blade. And so I can say that I have quite a few of them. Now the blade, I can see, is going to be a little troublesome. These the little mechanism here on the side, I don't know if there was a pin maybe at some point that held that down, but it had a little difficulty snapping into place. But and I have never shaved with this razor, so I don't know, but there is the blade gap, and it's kind of hard to see because of the chrome and the open comb. But let's go ahead and warm up the razor, and let's get going with pass number 1. Have you guys ever used this razor? Comment below and let me know. Chris said this was one of his favorite razors, and he hoped that I did not fall in love with it because he does not want to part with this. And I can fully understand his thoughts behind that. I don't know that I could loan out my favorite razor to someone. I can tell you that the blade is as expected, nice and sharp and smooth. The efficiency on this razor is incredible. One pass on my cheeks and very acceptable. The soap has plenty of residual slickness. And I would say with this razor, if you're not careful, it can possibly get you. But you know, you can tell that it's cutting, and it's doing an excellent job cutting, but there's not really a lot of blade feel. You know how some razors, you can just feel the blade and you're like, wow, that's doing something massive, and then you feel it and you're like, well, it's not cutting as, you know, like what I thought. This blade combination with this razor, you can tell it's cutting. It's not overly aggressive with the blade feel, but it is doing an exceptional job of removing the hair. Wow. I may have to do a little digging around on the internet to see if I can find one for myself. Even though I've went through and thinned out all of my razors and gotten rid of ones that were not for me, and I know several people have bought them and they've been happy, so I'm glad for that. This soap, sorry about the interruption. My friend Jerry was deciding to call me this morning while I'm trying to do a shave. Jerry, you know better. All right, well, what was I saying? Oh, yes. This shave soap is very smooth and slick. It's one of those soaps that it's not super fluffy, but it definitely gives the slickness that you're wanting. If that makes sense. Have you ever had a soap that seems more airy? Like the density of it is different. Let's see, where do I want to go? So many options. Yeah, this razor feels really nice. I enjoy it. I can see why Chris says this is his favorite. Wow. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. And I do have the matching aftershave splash. This is one of those splashes that needs a little shaking, which is nothing wrong with that. And I feel like this particular splash would be really nice with some menthol. That's nice. All right, and I'm going to be using my Star Jelly. This one has almost reached the end of its life. Wow, that is a nice, close, smooth shave. All right, well, that is my shave for today. I will have a picture right here of everything that I used today. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do that. I was looking at my analytics 63% of my viewers are not subscribed. It's free to subscribe, and you have a chance to win giveaways. All right, well, you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you on Sunday Shave.